What's up guys, this is Ref and welcome back. So lately I've been addicted to sneakers or kicks and I got my very first Air Jordan 1. So this is not the retro high OG or the legendary band shoes, but this only just an Air Jordan 1 mid. And fun fact, Jordan plays with Air Jordan 1 mid and not the high OGs. So what I got here is the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Magic Ember / Sundial White. So this is a mid-top version of the iconic Air Jordan 1, which was first released in 1985 and revolutionized the basketball shoe industry. So the SE stands for Special Edition, which means that the sneaker has some unique details and materials that set it apart from the regular Air Jordan 1 Mid. And the sneaker features a fresh and vibrant combination of colors that will make you stand out from the crowd. So here's my review of this eye-catching pair. So let's start with unboxing. So the shoes came with a regular black Air Jordan box. And what I got here is the 9.5 size. And when you open it first, you'll see its sticker, this white and green sticker, and its paper type covering for the shoes. Then of course the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE itself. There are no extra laces unfortunately here, but my very first impression with this colorway is really bright, and I like its color combination as well. So the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Magic Ember Sundial White is inspired by the sunny days and warm nights of the season, and it offers comfortable and stylish option for sneakers lovers. Featuring an official colorway of Magic Ember, Sundial, White, and Black, the sneaker features a white leather base with black leather added to its ankles. Rough suede overlays throughout in both Magic Ember and Sundial, black leather swoosh in logo, Wings logos on the ankles, and yellow Jumpman logo on the tongue, while a white rubber midsole and a black outsole make this design worth copying. The overlays are made of suede in two different shades. So Magic Ember, which is the bright orange-red color, and Sundial, which is a light yellow color. The contrast between these colors create a striking effects that remind me of sunset or summer days. The night swoosh on the sides is black, which adds some contrast and balance to the design. The tongue is also black with an orange Jumpman logo on it. The collar has a black wing basketball logo on it, which is a signature element of the Air Jordan 1, while the laces is all in black. The midsole is white and has an air unit in the heel for cushioning and comfort. The outsole is a black and a circular pattern for traction and durability. And others says, Jordan 1s have the greatest traction of all time. The Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Magic Ember Sundial White is a sneaker that combines style and performance. It is a classic silhouette with a modern twist, and thanks to the vibrant colors and suede overlay, it also has a comfortable fit and responsive cushioning system that will keep your feet happy on and off the court. And if you're looking for a sneaker that will spice up your wardrobe and make you feel confident, then you should definitely consider getting this Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Magic Ember / Sundial White. So it's available now on all retailers for around $135 or less, or sometimes it's in sale. So don't miss this chance to add some magic to your sneaker collection. So that is my review for this Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Magic Ember Sundial White. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.